Whether you are recovering from a binge, getting back on track after the holidays, or simply looking for a weight loss edge, reducing your food intake to 2 meals a day is an effective strategy. Surprisingly, you may also enjoy it. This video shows you how breaking away from the 3-meal-a-day mindset can help you reach your weight loss goal. We have been tied to the 3-meal-a-day culture for so long that it seems unhealthy to veer from that path. After all, eating frequently boosts your metabolism, and breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? Well, digesting food requires energy, so you can argue that you get a small metabolic bump up when you eat. But if breakfast involves downing a couple of bowls of refined cereal, lunch is a fast food burger with fries, and dinner is a big bowl of pasta with bread, you are not doing your body or metabolism any favors. The reality is, the eating pattern of Western society has made us sick and fat. Reducing your eating to 2 meals and making whole food choices can put you on a new path that promotes health by stabilizing blood sugar levels and actually makes you less hungry throughout the day, not more. Let's start by looking at how to eat 2 meals a day and then further explore these benefits. The keys to making 2 meals work for you are choosing foods that stabilize your blood sugar and eating enough. It is normal for your blood sugar level to rise and fall throughout the day. For instance, cortisol and other stimulating hormones cause a blood sugar rise in the early morning hours, helping you wake up and prepare for your day. Intense exercise can also lead to a blood glucose rise, helping to ensure that your cells have enough energy to match the increased activity. Eating is another cause of blood sugar fluctuations, and it is the biggest wild card because how much of a change depends on your food choices. When you eat refined carbs like cereal, hamburger buns, and pasta, you flood your bloodstream with sugar. Your body responds by producing insulin to bring the sugar level back down. The result is a blood sugar roller coaster that makes you feel alert on the way up and then crashes you into low blood sugar, causing fatigue, hunger, and cravings. These crashes make it very hard to avoid eating between meals because your body and brain are screaming at you to eat something to quickly bring your blood sugar back up. Therefore, for the best weight loss results, create 2 meals that are filled with healthy fats, protein, and non-starchy vegetables. The fat and protein prevent blood sugar spikes, and the vegetables provide hunger-satisfying volume. This is not only a state that keeps hunger away, it also keeps insulin low, which is a state that promotes fat burning. Non-starchy vegetables are generally less dense than starchy vegetables, so think of salad greens, broccoli, cauliflower, peppers, and asparagus. Foods that contain a good mix of fat and protein include meat, fish, eggs, dairy foods, nuts, and seeds. Now, this is an abbreviated list of foods, but from this list you can get an idea of what to eat for your 2 meals. For instance, you could have a lunchtime salad topped with nuts, seeds, and hard-boiled eggs. And for dinner, have meat or fish with a side vegetable. Each of these meals will provide the nutrients and volume that your body thrives on. And those are just a few examples. If you'd like a full list of foods, you can download my free list of 100 low-carb, high-fat foods by clicking on the link in the description area. Even if you get your food choices right, it is common to consciously or unconsciously eat too little during your 2 meals. Allowing yourself to eat larger meals can be a challenging mental hurdle to overcome, with the concern being that you're eating too many calories at one time and you'll cause fat to be stored. It is true that calories that are not used immediately will be stored, often as fat. However, this is not a bad thing and does not defeat your overall goal of losing weight. Think of your body as a gas tank. If you eat a big meal, your body will hold on to that energy as you move through your day. When your body has a need, the stored energy is released and you keep going until you refuel with your second meal of the day. Now, even if you eat the same number of calories that you would have with 3 meals, you may be concerned that cutting your food intake to 2 times a day will make you too hungry and eventually lead to overeating. One surprising study challenges the notion that eating frequently satisfies hunger better than eating less frequently. In this study, a group of healthy men underwent 2 diet interventions. For the first study period, they ate 3 meals a day. For the second period, they were fed the same foods split over 14 meals, so they ate something almost every hour they were awake. You would think that the participants would report that they felt more hunger satisfaction when they ate every hour. However, the opposite was true. When measured throughout the day, hunger was reduced and satiety and fullness ratings were increased in the low-frequency diet compared to the high-frequency diet. Now, this study compared 3 meals to hourly meals. I'm not saying that you will not experience hunger if you reduce your food intake to 2 meals a day. However, I hope this study helps to alleviate some fears about trying this diet strategy. You may even find that you enjoy breaking your eating into 2 meals because it eases some of the demands of meal planning, allows for more productive hours, and effortlessly encourages weight loss because even though you are eating more at each meal, you naturally reduce your calorie intake for the day. When you compartmentalize your food intake, you avoid mindless snacking, helping you naturally lower your calorie intake and lose weight. This factor can be easily overlooked because many of us would not identify as mindless eaters. However, research shows that more than 50% of us consume calories all day long, from the cream in our morning coffee to the soda or sweet tea after lunch, to the quick snacks before and after dinner. With a 2-meal-a-day eating plan, these extra calories are avoided. Restricting your food intake to twice daily also keeps your insulin levels low, further encouraging fat loss. As you know, your body needs energy every hour of the day. You can take in energy from food or withdraw it from storage units like body fat. So as the day goes on, you are either depositing or withdrawing energy. The conductor of this storage and release symphony is insulin. Insulin levels rise when you eat, filling fat stores. When you fast, insulin levels drop, making it easier for fat to be released. There is nothing inherently wrong with eating 3 meals a day. However, if you are looking for a way to encourage weight loss, cutting back to 2 meals is worthwhile. To make it work, cut out the refined carbs, replace them with whole foods that are low in carbs and high in fat, and fill your stomach with non-starchy vegetables. You'll find these foods on my list of 100 foods. You can download it for free and stick it on your refrigerator as a guide. A link to the list is in the description area below this video. Before you go, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get a notification when I post more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.